Leader of the opposition Manohar Parrikar demanded immediate recall of Governor S.C. Jamir for illegally saving the government when it has been reduced to a minority by proroguing the winter assembly session.
This governor seems to be acting like an agent of Congress. I am repeating again, he is acting like an agent of Congress. Therefore, I demand, and this demand will go to President, Home Ministry, Prime Minister, and we are raising the issue with our central leadership also. This governor be immediately recalled because he is making mockery and fun of that post.
Addressing the media persons, Parrikar pointed out the governor prorogued the assembly without giving any reason.
आम्ही 22 मेंबर हावजान पावल्ले आयज हाऊस प्रोरोग करपाचे सरकारा फुडें इतलो बिझनेस आसतना कारण कितें हें तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. आयज सरकार काल वाचयल्लें सरकार आयज गॅरंटेड पडटलें आसा. जे सरकारा कडेन केवळ 15 किंवा ताचे पेक्षा कमी सदस्याचो पाठिंबो आसा अशें मायनॉरिटी गव्हर्मेंट ह्या गव्हर्नराच्या ह्यो कसल्यो मरकटलीला म्हणच्यो पडटल्यो आमकां. हांव ताका शब्दच वापरता कारण ज्या सरकाराक मेजॉरिटी ना ते सरकार प्रोरोग कर हावस म्हणटा आनी गव्हर्नर बिझनेस आसतना हावस प्रोरोग करता. हाज्या इतलो घटनेची धिंडवडे काडप आनीक वेगळें ना.
He also disclosed that they would not allow Governor S.C. Jamir to address the next assembly session.
फुडल्या पातो स्पीच येत जाल्यार आमी करूंक दिवचे ना. हांव आतांच सांगता त्या गव्हर्नराक करूंक दिवचे ना. ज्या मनशान दोनदा गेल्या पावस फक्त विचारलेलें नेक्स्ट टायम तुजें स्पीच जर तुका पास करून घेना आसतना तूं प्रोरोग करता हावस जाल्यार हाजो अर्थ सिंपल आसा. गव्हर्मेंट हॅज लॉस्ट मेजॉरिटी. 3 ministers had resigned, 4 people had given letters of withdrawal of support. There are more letters of withdrawal of support by MLAs. In totally, I think 6 letters had gone to him already.
Mr. Parrikar said that if Chief Minister is not submitting his resignation, then his government should be dismissed.
पण म्हाका दिसता दिगंबराक जर स्वताचे कितें तरी थोडे तरी नाक आसा जाल्यार he should resign immediately. Our demand, second demand is if Digambar Kamath does not resign, he has to be dismissed.
He also clarified that they are not in the race to form the new government in the state.
जनता पक्ष सरकार करतले अशें ह्या भारतीय जनता पक्षाक सरकार करपाची इच्छा नाशिल्ली आनी म्हणून ह्या खेपा आमी फक्त एकूच विशय घेतला जे कितें फुडें जातलें अनेक ऑप्शन्स आहा. NCP can form the government.
Parrikar also urged the Congress to support NCP to form the government.
Give it to NCP. Let them also support from outside to NCP. करा मरे NCP सिलेक्ट करता ताका chief minister. You also support, we will also support. Let the government be run by NCP. You people don't have competent people. तांचे कडेन आल्या तरी पळोवया.
We'll spill into a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. A pandal erected to accommodate devotees for the feast of Saint Sebastian at the chapel at Lotuli was gutted in a fire yesterday afternoon.
Plastic chairs, wooden benches, sound system and electrical equipment was destroyed in the fire. It is learned that some workers had lit fire to dry leaves while cleaning the area in preparation for the feast. Since the chapel is situated on a hillock, the flames spread to the pandal with the breeze. Some people at the chapel, on noticing it, tried to douse the fire. However, as it could not be contained, fire personnel were summoned to fight the fire. Fire department, who finally extinguished the fire, had put the losses of property to approximately rupees 3 lakhs.
Ud Goenka condemned the attempt allegedly made by the Goa Legislative Assembly Speaker Mr. Pratap Singh Rane and Health Minister Vishwajit Rane to harass their spokesperson Iris Rodrigues.
The attempts by Goa Assembly Speaker Pratap Singh Rane and his son Vishwajit Rane to try and terrorize us.
Briefing media persons, Mr. Rodrigues alleged that the Ranis are pressurizing Walpole police inspector for filing case against him.
Vishwajit Rane called the Walpole police inspector Shivram Vaingankar and pressurized him to register a cognizable offence under section 509 of IPC against me. Speaker Rane tried to pressurize Vaingankar to register the case.
He said that it is an attempt by both Ranes to make him withdraw his private criminal case against Vishwajit.
Tanuja Kanolkar is on my mailing list, and all the SMSs I get, she too gets. So to file a complaint now of a SMS she received last year is just an attempt by Pratap Singh Rane and his son Vishwajit Rane to pressurize me to withdraw the criminal case that is pending against Vishwajit Rane.
Mr. Rodrigues said that he would move an application before JMFC for cancellation of bail of Vishwajit Rane.
Neeraj Thakur immediately contacted Idea Cellular, and I was fortunate to get this information immediately from Idea Cellular through my sources that this request has come from SP North. We spoke to the DIG last night, and I had a call from Neeraj Thakur last evening around 8 o'clock that the letter sent to Idea Cellular now stands withdrawn. Our contention is, how was the letter sent in the first place? The action of Vishwajit Rane to try to pressurize us to withdraw the case is not proper. And as I have said, he is out on bail, and this action is not in accordance with law. That is the reason I am moving an application before the Judicial Magistrate First Class to immediately cancel his bail and send Vishwajit Rane to jail, where he can join me if his father sends me.
He disclosed that if Vishwajit gives him undertaking that he would not threaten anyone in future, he would withdraw the case pending before the Judicial Magistrate First Class.
I have discussed this with our colleagues, and we are not standing here on a matter of prestige, but what I have made it very clear to Vishwajit's friends is that let him say that he is sorry for it, and more important, that he should give an undertaking that in future he will not threaten anyone. I am not even interested that he should say sorry, but an undertaking by him that he will not threaten any Goan should be enough for me.
Time for another commercial break. You're with Goa 365.